Hello guys, hello and welcome to the Platinum Boy Game Dev. Today we are going to explore one of the crucial setting in Unity, that is Application.targetFrameRate. Like this tutorial will help you to understand like what it does and how to use it and why it is essential for games performance. Like first of all, I'm telling you like what is the application target frame rate and why we use it. Like application.target frame rate is a like property in Unity that determine the maximum frame rate of your game. Like it aims to the like maximum frame rate your game should aim for. It measure in frame per second or FPS. By setting this value, you are telling that Unity to to optimize performance for a specific frame rate. And in the latest Unity version, like Unity did not provide this feature in project setting. Before, in the previously, they provide the setting in project settings, then time. So they provide here, but in the newer version, you have to set this through the programmatically. Like how can you set in the C# script? So I made this project here. If I'm going in the settings option, you can see I set my frame rate. I can set my frame rate according to myself. Like I set my 690 FPS, 120 FPS, and this kind of thing. Why is application target frame is important? Like so why is application is crucial for your game? Like performance optimization. By targeting a specific frame rate, Unity optimize rendering and physics and other processes. Power consumption. Lower frame rate conserve the battery life on mobile devices, and it also help you to like consistent frame rate, ensure a smooth smoother gaming experience. So let me show you my script. Uh, where it go? Yeah, there is it. So like if you're aware about your application, like what device you are like in which device you are playing your game, so you can like default set your FPS default, or you can provide the user they can set FPS according to himself. So I gave this feature in my game. So here user can set their FPS according to himself, and it's not a big issue. It's just a simple line you have to write, like application dot target frame rate, and just provide uh, any integer value like 60, and you have to call this line in your start or awake method. Like if you can use in a loading scene script, or you can make your own script. So it's really important in your game should have this line to making your game like optimize or playing as smoother. So today tutorial, and understand application dot target frame rate and how to use it, and remember to experiment with different frame rate to find the like perfect balance of your game. And thank you for watching Platinum Boy Game. And if you have any question or feedback, please leave them in a comment section, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials and game development insight, and also follow us on social media for update and behind the scene content. See you in the next video. Thanks guys.